At Coastal Palms Realty, we want to help you make the home selling process faster and easier. Here are some tips to consider when listing your home on the market. Pre-sale home inspection. Consider conducting a pre-sale home inspection to identify and address any potential issues before open houses begin. This proactive approach can help streamline the selling process and give buyers confidence in the condition of your home. Organize and clean. Create a welcoming atmosphere by decluttering and organizing your space. Pack up personal items for storage to showcase the potential of each room and make your home appear more spacious and inviting to prospective buyers. Address repairs. If there are any major repairs or renovations needed, obtain estimates for the cost of repairs, even if you don't plan to complete them yourself. Providing this information to buyers can help them assess the overall investment required for the property. Gather documentation. Collect all warranties, guarantees, and user manuals for appliances and systems in your home to provide to the buyer. This demonstrates transparency and helps buyers feel confident in their purchase. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter, so invest time in enhancing your home's curb appeal. Ensure the exterior is well maintained by mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, and adding attractive landscaping features. Make sure the address is clearly visible and consider adding inviting touches to the walkway and entryway. By following these tips, you can improve the marketability of your home and attract potential buyers. If you have any questions or need assistance with the home selling process, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to support you every step of the way.